I'm fooling. Let's just go ahead and consolidate this because I can't take too much more of Anthony. Going back, I watched all of them, but going back just to record and make a video, I cannot put myself through that because this man, who, he's a complete jack butt. And I want to say the other thing, but I'm trying to keep it PG. Okay, he's a complete behind. You hear me? And baby, this whole I'm finna stalk you, walk around you, mope around the house, sit outside the house, waiting for you to get back. Y'all remember how when she used to go get food? Are you gonna get me something to eat? Is there anything else? Remember I told y'all that's gonna come back. Is there anything else that that I can get for you? Right before she walk out that door. That's what she gonna say right before she walk out the door because baby, I will not be coming back. Okay? I'm waiting for that. But anywho, sitting outside, waiting for her to bring the food, waiting for her to get back from getting her food. Notice she was on that phone talking to somebody on that last video. I cut that part out where she said, I brought the papers in today. I brought the papers here today. So them papers are there. That lawyer she done drew up them papers. So she just haven't presented to him yet. So we waiting on that video, and I'm sure it's gonna drop it here in a minute now. Okay, but let's just go over all the mess that he told me. And I got it right here. So if you want the one I'm looking at, I'm looking at it because I'm trying not to miss any of this. I'm going to regret what you said to me. They're gonna look at you like you're tainted because of the divorce. Well, let me tell you something, brother. Tank me up then. Tank me up. You know how we be like, hot me up, hot me up, hot me up. And don't forget, hot me up, y'all. Tank me up, tank me up. Because this is not living in this foolishness. You wasn't a good wife. Really? Really? Man, this boy is pulling out all the stops. You hear me? You wasn't a good wife. The world, aka Wayne's world, didn't want you. Remember, he had told her that before. Now he bringing it back up again. The world don't want you. Well, the world he referring to is Wayne's world. Wayne don't want you. But the world don't want you. I don't know how we got to this. Why you just didn't tell me you didn't forgive me? And let's just end it in the beginning. That's about a little bit of regret right there because he could have been with his baby mama. He ain't have to come back over here. He could have just figured this out from over there. But I knew you was going to go ahead and end the divorce anyway. But you don't know how y'all got there, Anthony? You don't know how. You forgot about God? You forgot about Shayla? You forgot about Rose? You forgot about hiding money? You forgot about lying? You forgot about... And you have been a good husband? See, he's playing on her with that whole you wasn't a good wife because she, in her mind, she wanted to be the perfect wife. Well, yeah, but there's no perfect anything. But he trying to dagger into her heart because it hit her at her core. Because you see how he left her when he said he wanted to hurt her wife. Girl, get over it. This idiot, get over it. You said it right, idiot. Yeah, that one. This was the one everybody loved. Shayla would have treated him better. She would have never talked down to him the way she is. Or disrespected him the way that Amber's doing. Well, what was this? What was this? What was kicking you all in your butt? Anthony, you are less than a man, Anthony. You are not a good father, Anthony. What was this? What was all that? Whew. Shayla. That was the one that really rubbed everybody the wrong way. Even I'm sitting there like, what? Okay, you really scratching. You really reaching for the stars on that one. Even trying to get him a little bit in the midst of this, because what's better than makeup? SEX, right? Yeah, bruh, let it go. And I always quoting this. You know who I am. I'm Mr. Dalton. Brother, you ain't the Dalton gang. I mean, y'all ain't part of the Dalton gang, although y'all about to break out in some wars. This ain't 1889, 1892, the Dalton gang. You ain't part of that family. At least I don't think you is. You're a Western outlaw. Okay. You around here, that's part of your business. You around here robbing banks. And trains. Well, you probably ain't. I digress on that. I think I've hit all the things that he done said about Amber. Girl, get your behind away from this idiot. You hear me? Get your behind away from this fool. Because all he gonna do is continue to change who you are inside. And in the end, you're not gonna be the same Amber. If you continue on this path with this man, he's going to change you for the worse. Break free. Serve him the papers. I would say at this point, just walk away. Walk away from this idiot, this fool, this narcissist, this jack. Let him go, Mr. Dalton. I know you want to hit him with what he loved the most, his money. Show him you ain't playing. Take your power back. Stop allowing him to put you in this mood that he got you in. It ain't worth it, girl. It ain't worth it. It ain't worth your sanity, Amber. Sometimes you gotta let it go. We ain't talking about a love take TKO. We talking about just letting it go. Sometimes you gotta let it go. All right, just let it go. Ooh, because he's gonna be a miserable man in that big old house, and Kai's gonna be an adult coming and check on his daddy because his daddy couldn't get it right with absolutely nobody. While Shayla around here, hopefully she around here still running around behind no man. Let this fool go. Let him live in his misery. Do not make him make yourself miserable, because misery loves company. Don't let him do that to you, girl. Regain your power. Direct that energy right back at him. Shift the energy back towards him. Because he a fool. He a whole fool. Divorce in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And as always, be your brothers and sisters keeper. Keep God first. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And toodles.
Skit time, skit time, skit by skit, hit by hit, skit time, skit time. We got Kountry Wayne that's right on time, and exposures that will blow your mind, and we will keep you up on the current news. Sing a tune to relieve the blues, and if you like the entertainment with the 90s vibe, hit the like and don't forget to subscribe, because it's skit time, skit time, skit by skit, hit by hit, skit time with SkitLanta commentary. Toodles.